I would always say you don't need varieties, 10 steps to achieve a good skincare routine. It is not about a lot of steps. It's about having the right strategy to achieve the skincare that you desire. Know that your skin requires some right components that needs to be infused in your daily routine to achieve your skincare. It is not the product, it is the components that your skin requires to thrive. So if these tips looks like something you have been waiting for, spending money on product, having 10 steps, and you've not really achieved much, regardless of your skin type, then this video is for you. Welcome back to Wellness and Skincare. My name is Youthful, and let's dive into the video. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting from my life. For your morning care routine, you have to cleanse. Whatever product you're using, I can trust that probably you're using a good product. And if you know you're not using a good product, then subscribe to this channel so that I can always give you a recommendation of the right product for your skin. So first of all, you need to cleanse your skin. We all know that. Get a good face wash that works for your skin type, your skin concern, and make sure that your face wash for your morning routine is mild, like simple and mild. For instance, a simple product from Simple would help keep your skin simple and mild. Remember, you are going out today. Your skin is going to be exposed to a lot of things, to sun, to a lot of things. So keep it simple and mild. Then after washing your face, and you come out of your bathroom or wash up your body as well, of course. After you wash your face, you want to go in with a good toner. Going with a toner that helps hydrate your skin. So the hydrating toner will probably, if I can even mention products in this particular video, because I just want you to know the component that your skin requires. I want you to understand that once you know the component, that is a strategy beyond product. So you can as well know the product that you can infuse to your day-to-day living. I think I should mention this before I go ahead. You need to understand your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concern to have a proper skincare routine. So if you have that figured out, then you're good to go. You're like 50% good to go. Then you can know that get a simple routine for your morning routine, because you are going outside. You are facing a whole lot. Your skin is facing a whole lot. So after you have the cleansing done, going with a good toner, going with a good hydrating toner, with good hydration on your skin, because I think we talk about moisturizing, but we don't talk about hydration. With good hydration, your skin barrier is stronger. You have more elasticity to your skin. So get an hydrating toner, I would say. After getting your toner right, go in with your antioxidant. Antioxidant helps to get rid of free radicals. Free radicals like pollutions in the atmosphere, things that could, come on your skin from the outside, when you go out, that could affect your skin. It kind of create a barrier against those things. So when you have a good antioxidant on your skin is well protected. So it could come as a form of niacinamide, it could come as a form of vitamin C. That's why we have the vitamin C and all that. I can put other examples of what an antioxidant, but you know that antioxidant is an important component to your skincare routine. So now under antioxidants, you can now recommend products. The next thing, that's the number 4 thing, like I said, just simple routine, is your moisturizer. Get a good moisturizer that suits your skin tone, your skin type, and your skin concern, that is well moisturizing. A good moisturizer. Not everything that has that creamy consistency moisturizes well. So get a good moisturizer. I would say Nivea face moisturizer. It will always go for all skin type, especially when you're just maintaining your skin and not like you have a skin concern. Like I said, morning routine should be very basic and simple. You don't want to use heavy products or all these intense products for your morning routine, because you are going out to the sun and you are going to be doing a lot out there. So you want to keep it very simple till you come back at night. So after your morning routine, going with your sunscreen, lock your skin up with your sunscreen. Let's go to the nighttime skincare routine, straightforward. When you're back from wherever you have gone to, you want to double cleanse. Probably you have makeup on, you have whatsoever thing on. Your skin has been hydrated in the morning, you've moisturized it well, you have your you had your antioxidant going for your basic routine, for your morning routine, right? This routine will really help you for a good maintenance. But for your nighttime routine, you want to go all out, because you are inside. Your skin has more tendency to thrive well. There's no sun, there's no, the atmosphere thing is not there. You are locked in. So you want to have your skin double cleanse, because from the pollution, from the atmosphere, you want to cleanse once and cleanse twice. So people would use a basic bar soap first, a simple cleanser first, like face cleanser first. Then they now go in with, maybe they have a particular cleanser that for their skin concern, maybe for retinoid and all those kind of skin concern, maybe you're trying to get rid of acne, will not have their own treatment, their face wash that help to target their skin concern after they've gone in with a mild face wash. That's how some people double cleanse. Then after that, you possibly don't need a toner. Just go in with your hydrating serum to hydrate your skin and prep your skin for healing, for thriving, to increase the texture of your skin. Once you go with a good hydrating serum, hyaluronic acid, and some of all these hyaluronic acid has other treatment that comes with maybe niacinamide. Like if you check all these nail, I'm gonna put the picture because I can't remember the name right now, but this nail whatever, this nail essence that has this illuminating and hydrating component, it will help treat your skin well, to keep it hydrated, keep moisturized, and keep it glowing. But if you probably have a skin concern like acne or whatever the skin concern you have for your face, then after you double cleanse and you probably hydrate your skin to prep your skin for the product, you can now go in with your treatment, retinol, whatever the case may be that you have gotten, good molecules, probably discoloration, hyperpigmentation, you can now go in with your product for your face. When you use it on your face, then you can now lock it in with your moisturizer or whatever the treatment that you've gotten. And like I said, I'm not recommending product in this one. I'm just giving you your step-to-step for a simple routine. And after your moisturizer, then you're good to go. You're going to have your good night rest. Then you repeat the morning routine again. So the highlight of this video is to understand that your morning routine should be quite simple, should be more of maintenance, because you're going outside and the sun, your activities in the day, you don't want to clog your skin. Then your nighttime routine should be for going all out. Use your product, use your skincare treatment, use your concern treatment, your treatment whatsoever, because you're home, you're logged in at home, so your skin can easily penetrate in and work well. So you understand the balance between maintaining your skin and also using your treatment. So you don't use treatment in the morning, use treatment at night. It's a whole lot consumed for your skin to give you that. And trust me, skincare is a consistent journey. Your consistency will speak over time. Trust me. You don't want to use all this product that would work in 3 days and your skin will now go back worse after you stop. With this journey, with this consistency, you would achieve a healthy skin, which is the most important for your durability of your skin and for your health. Healthy skin, like I also mentioned, please use your supplements. Supplements will help your skin heal faster from anything you're trying to heal from. I talked about supplement in one of my videos. Supplement, get a feminine supplement. As a female, get a supplement regardless your age. There's supplement for skin concern. If you have acne, there's supplement that can help you. If you get a good pharmacy or a good dermatologist, I can recommend good supplement, and I probably will put pictures by the side so you can have a very well balanced skin routine, because skincare works in and out as well. And your lifestyle is very important. Your pillowcase, your towel, you know what I mean. Have a good and clean lifestyle to help your skin thrive well in this season. And I'm telling you are good to go. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.